So a bit of a enhanced risk here across North Texas into Oklahoma. Could be kind of an interesting severe weather day. It looks like initiation for storms might be like an hour or two earlier than we expected yesterday, which is good because that means before the stronger forcing arrives, we might have supercells for maybe like an hour or two longer. Looks like models are pretty consistent with forming basically one or maybe two supercells kind of in the Texas Panhandle region east of the Cap Rock. So it could be a really good photogenic terrain. We'll see what happens. Risk for future tornadoes may also exist this evening, either embedded with the bow or with semi-discrete supercells as southerly low-level and related 0 to 1 SRH gradually strengthens. A continued threat for severe damaging winds may continue into the overnight hours across North Texas. How are we feeling, Rich? Biggest tornado outbreak in Texas history about to happen here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy some beef sticks.
I love the confidence.
Hey man, I already ate a tornado for the vibe, so it's gotta happen.
Severe warning.
Box.
Quarter-inch
It's
wind. Yeah. They're clearly heavily expecting it to turn. Severe warned. And I pulled some soundings earlier, and storm movement should be at about 8 to 11 knots based on the soundings I picked. So early on, we should be chilling. Yeah, we're gonna be flirting with the hail, maybe briefly here. Is that already like a?
Yeah, I'm kind of watching that. They're safe and legally.
Yep. The safest. Wow, that's nice bass going on now.
Oh my god, dude! If this does a tornado, I'm gonna be absolutely shocked. That is insane bass, insane inflow on the bass.
Oh my.
Look at that!
That's about as textbook as it gets.
That's got to be the most insane bass. One of the most insane basses in flow and everything I've ever seen.
Yeah, this thing is hard moving south now.
I don't know, it's really sketchy.
We're good. A little watch free. You're good. SpongeBob, you're good. It's moving into more favorable dews, right?
Sector of 1 right now. Supercell composite of 8.
They just shaved off the left split, so it's...
Look at that echo top shoot over us, closer to us.
Keep coming.
Hoping Swift activity gets a little bit better. Oh, it's updated the warning now. Tennis ball size tail. It's warned for tennis balls right now. Just got warned. I think it's confirmed. Source is public.
Off for you. So.
I wish I had radar update. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie.
Past the worst of it, maybe.
I wish I had a radar update. I have like 4G, but it's probably overload right now. They added a warning in east. I'll probably cover that. There's a dude in an ATV.
Oh God.
You guys are like, okay. Oh, here we go.
Oh yeah, that's not bad, I think.
I don't know, you went south maybe?
We can do that if you want to just punch through it. Do you want to just get a little south and let this thing get north of us? Alright, let's do it. Alright, we're rolling. Kind of like a big bowl to the right side of the road here. Motion here. It's good, he's good.
I mean, velocity even. You can see a little more.
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Look at how this inflow tail is
Yeah.
Tornado warning. Tornado warning.
Really? Hello. South. Yeah, probably.
Like I said, there's this nice east.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go south in this paved route up here. We think we have a decent east option farther south of here. We'll see what happens.
Being in the inflow notch is the best place to see a tornado with HP supercells, but it does come with a risk, especially in chaser traffic jams. strong RFD, potentially capable of significant hail and wind, could impact us before we can clear out of the way. We had issues with this in 2023 as well, back north of Clovis, New Mexico, where a large tornado crossed right behind us.
Come on, guys. We're so close to getting out of this.
Keeping up with the storm became more difficult with dense chaser traffic and a less cooperative road network. South of the Hook, on dirt roads, we were able to stay just ahead of the storm, and off to the north, a funnel cloud developed. There was a chaser reporting a tornado up to the north, but we didn't see enough to believe it. And with the storm becoming more and more high precipitation, or HP, a decision had to be made about our next move.
I don't want to go any further. Because the rain's like right here.
Yeah, I know. How rude.
While the storm we were on remained tornado warned and looked quite good on radar, visually it looked more outflow dominant. We were closely watching a new supercell forming to our southeast for the last 30 minutes and appeared it was undergoing rapid intensification following a left split and cell merger. We decided to head southeast towards Stamford, Texas, carefully routing just ahead of a destructive hail core.
Oh, we're gonna have a nice little view over the Allsups too. Look at that.
This appendage I've kind of been looking at, like that's kind of like interesting little area here. I don't know. Yeah, it says trying to tornado. Slow down, actually. So it's a little north of me, so that'd be this appendage. HP structure would hug the core. Just for jollies. Structure's getting better. Overall storm structure. Okay. There's a new severe warning. Oh my.
Ping pong balls and cinnamon power lines. Heck yeah. That's something.
Kind of bowl feature that's trying to like wrap.
I'm letting
in.
you just look at that because I'm trying to
Yeah.
But figure out the hotel situation heavily.
Yeah.
Just our job. I'm gonna keep saying that now. Big problems. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Got like 2. We got a gustnado down there. Someone will call that a tornado probably.
Mile-wide tornado.
The tops have shot up right west of us. 57,000 feet. So he's starting to get his shiz together.
That's a nice CG. Holy. Do not like that. Nobody like that.
Oh my god.
My god.
My GoPro's out right now. Sounds good. Oh my god. Oh my god, I shook right over there. Nice. Is this thing about like tornado or something? That's why I just like shoot off a bunch of...
I don't know where to put this camera.
I'm trying to switch out my... Nick, I might need your help real quick.
What you need? Machine? There we go.
Funnel.
Oh, shh.
I think.
Yeah,
Maybe?
that looks like it. Maybe that's where it would be. HP structure.
That's tornado.
Just dissipated.
That explains the CG barrages.
Well, we're on the board. I see dust.
Dust again.
Talking about the big brown area, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just making sure.
That explains the jumps to CGs.
Yo.
Or left.
It's like the whole wall cloud is just...
That's a tornado.
That's like a funnel above it. Maybe.
To the far right or?
No, it's like about 1 o'clock in relation to the front of the car. The dark plume.
I'm thinking left of that barn.
Yeah, between the two barns, right?
Left of the barn.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Well, we got a tornado.
There's a nice condensed funnel, and then it became like these like dusty tubes. Someone reported it, looks like.
we're officially counting 2 tornadoes with this storm, but all the circulations could add up to 4 or more, especially counting chaser visuals right under the rotation. Right as the tornado threat peaked, it was over, as the storm became a destructive wind event with some stunning storm structure.
Yeah, we're gonna be going right to the hook, but yeah. It's a good road. Can we go? Oh, then we can go south here. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I got on video.
You did get it? Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what I was doing.
just so happened to look to my right. I'm like, oh, there's a photo cloud just up here.
Good job, Jake. Let's go, buddy. I watched it. I think I was so mesmerized watching it, I didn't even think to hit record on the camera. Oh my god.
Well, that explains why the CG jumped. That should have clicked and be like, wait a minute, we got a CG jump. What the hell is happening here? Bring the tornado.
Count it!
And I didn't think we were going to see anymore. I thought it was a construction fest.
Like that, when I saw that wall cloud developing, I'm like, okay, we need to pause, because this, I like where this is going. You're lighting like, oh my god, I hate this light.
Oh my gosh.
Severe thunderstorm, destructive 80-mile-an-hour winds. I just issued. Well, I guess that's this.
It's just outflow. I don't mind.
Holy cow.
I'm gonna face into it.
Yeah, oh my gosh, this visibility is like 0. This is
I'm facing south.
southeasterly. It's like borderline inflow still?
Another one.
Yup.